Before owning a router plane, when Banggood asked if I was interested in covering it, I had never really seen them, and thought they were some really advanced woodworking tools only used in fine Japanese joinery. It got me looking into what I could even use them for, and I discovered that many things that are typical to woodworking can be made more rough and easily finalized with a router plane. Here's how they work, how I learned to use them anyway, using and reviewing HONGDUI's entry-level model. Check out the description for more info on it. The first obvious use for it is cleaning up dados, half-laps, and other such joints that are made using regular table saw blades, which tend to leave a lot behind, preventing you from having proper glue-ups. This is where the router plane comes in. First, they're pretty simple to use. This kit comes with the plane, 2 kinds of blades, and an edge guide. This handle is there so you can easily sharpen the blades, giving you a handle to hold your angle on the whetstones. The big wheel here loosens the shaft and lets you align the blade for an angled cut or straight, as I used it so far. The top wheel, when the big one is loosened, gives you precise up and down control so you can do your cuts in layers, leaving a perfect sanded-like finish. The stopper here lets you choose the max depth, and it won't let you go any lower when it reaches the bottom. For cleaning up a dado, you can likely just put your final depth, like I am now, and just move it across the surface, cleaning it up. Now that those are cleaned up, look how nice they line up for a glue up. Next is something that takes a lot of precision to be effective: bow ties. Cutting the outside with a chisel is pretty easy, but cleaning up the bottom, depending on what kind of wood, can be really hard. This is where the router plane comes in and makes it super easy to get a nice flat surface. Once you have all your edges done with a chisel, you set your depth, the depth you want for your bow tie, and it'll be easy to clean up. If it's not, set it a little higher, clean that up, then lower, doing it in stages. See how nice that is now? It won't be hard at all to get a full glue joint from the bow tie. I'm glad I have this tool in my reach. It'll make everything a lot cleaner when I'm doing such joints. If you want more info on this, check out the description for links to the HONGDUI Router Plane. Even more so, at its low price, it's a tool that I think is great to have around. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos, and see you next time.